All right, that was just my puff pastry that we laid out on our muffin tin. I am next gonna bring in my pizza cutter and we're gonna cut out our puff pastry so that it can fit beautifully into our muffin tin. So just go vertically and horizontally until we have 12 pieces of puff pastry. All right, now that these are all cut out, I'm gonna bring in my whipped cream cheese. Now I'm using the whipped cream cheese, but you can also just use softened block of cream cheese. And I'm gonna grab my cookie scoop and we're gonna add a scoop of our cream cheese into each of our muffin tin holes. Now this is gonna be a super easy, super fast appetizer. It is not only great for game day, but it's also great for like a fancy party. It is the perfect combination of tasty, easy, and kind of elevated. So I'm adding our cream cheese right in there. We're adding about maybe like a tablespoon of cream cheese into each of our little pieces of puff pastry. Okay, let's finish these last two up and then we can get our third and final ingredient for this super quick elevated appetizer. All right, and that ingredient is our red pepper jelly. Yes, you heard that right. This stuff is incredible. It's made out of bell peppers and it's just kind of like a savory jelly compared to like a sweet jelly. And we're just adding our jelly right into our little pieces of puff pastry with our cream cheese. Red pepper jelly and cream cheese go absolutely beautiful together, but you could also make this with a brie or you could make it with like a Boursin cheese, but I personally love cream cheese. It's, you know, a cheaper alternative to it, and also it just goes so fabulously with our red pepper jelly. Now you could also sub out the red pepper jelly for any kind of jelly that you like. If you want to make it a more sweet jelly, you could totally do that, but I am loving this combination. Beautiful. All right, we're just gonna finish these up by folding in the corners of our puff pastry just like that so we can enclose the cream cheese, the red pepper jelly, and we get nice melted gooiness when we put this in the oven. Now also another alternative for the puff pastry could be a pizza crust or that crescent dough. You could even do little crescents inside your muffin tin. That also works beautifully, and that will cook even faster than the puff pastry. But we're gonna go ahead and just finish closing up, you know, bringing in all those corners so that we can get this cooking. All right, these are done. Now you could do an egg or a butter wash, but I'm gonna keep it to the 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. All right, you guys, these are ready. Now I know they look a little pale on top, but once we pop them out, you'll be able to see that beautiful cooked puff pastry. Look at that browned golden deliciousness. These super easy 3 ingredient appetizers are ready to enjoy. All right, let's get these nice and plated for our guest. All right, those are for my guests, and then I have one ready for me to try on my little appetizer plate. Woo, I cannot wait. Wow. Flaky, sweet, savory, delicious. You gotta try it.